welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna be talking about the time I made my first $15 ever online. Oh my gosh, I was so happy. Ooh, y'all know that feeling. Like, have you ever type in online how to make money? Like, you really broke, you type in. If you never done that, then you don't know the struggle. Like, what who did that before? So let's get into the video. So how I made my first $15 online was through an app. So basically I was really broke. Like, my job had fired me. Not really fired. I didn't want to go to work. I was looking for another job. So I went online and I typed in how to make money now. Like, come on. I was like, how to make money now, how to make money online. And I came to this app named Swagboss. If you been researching online how to make money, I'm pretty sure you know about this app because it be on the list a lot when you type in how to make money online. Like, I feel like it's popular. You should know. If like you've been researching, you should know about this app. So basically I seen the app. I was like, I didn't really need that much money. I was like, $50 a week is good for me because I'm not paying no bill. I'm just buying food. I don't really have to buy food like that. I just gotta pay my phone bill and that's it. So $50 a week is enough for me. I was looking for something high, but at that moment I was not looking for really nothing high like that. Just to pay my bill, I was looking for something like that. So I came through this app and it said you have to take a survey and you don't get what I say more real money. It's like a reward. You get a reward for completing a survey, doing couple tasks. So I made an account and did a couple survey. Then I was like, bitch, what? I was like, this is not gonna cut it. I don't got all day for this. Then I took my mind off the app. So I forgot about the app. I was like, I'm gonna go get me a job. So one day I was really broke too, and I went in my Gmail. I went to my account Gmail. I went to my Gmail, and I seen they send you a lot of email like daily. It tells you like if you sign up for a subscription, you get this point. If you do a survey, you get this point. So I seen one of the in my email. It said if I bought this thing, it was like $5. That's like investing. So that was like, if you buy this subscription, it's a subscription, it's for like $5 a month. You will get, I don't know the amount of the reward. You will get that reward and that's $50 in PayPal. They don't pay cash. They send money to your PayPal. I think they do deposit. I don't know about that. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think they do deposit. And they also have a minimum withdrawal. You have to reach. No, you don't have to reach nothing really. But you still gotta have enough point reward to like cash out. So yeah, so you do have to make a minimum. So you get a gift card or cash PayPal. I think that's the only two payment that have a gift card or a cash PayPal. Yeah. So I was like, this sound good. I need $50 right now. So I went there and did that and signed up for the subscription. They said that the subscription gonna come within in 5 days. I was like, oh, that's cool. And I also get free stuff. I only invested $5. I was like, oh, that's cool. So I signed up for the subscription. And so the next thing I did, I went and like when I signed up for the subscription, the $50 was confirmed. It was a reward I had. The reward was confirmed. It was in my account, in my Swagbucks account. So I had to go redeem it to a PayPal cash. So that's what I did, and they had to confirm that too. It's my PayPal and whatever. So mind you, when you do that, you don't get the money right away. I was like, yes, I got $50, but no, I didn't get the $50 for like a week. For like 2 weeks, they had to verify. They had to verify some stuff. It took like 2 weeks for me to get that $50. I thought I was gonna get it right away. I was so hyped, but no, I had. They give you a date of what date the money is gonna be on your PayPal account, so you could expect the money there on your PayPal account on that day. So I was like, this is trash. Like I thought I was gonna get the money today or tomorrow, and nobody got time to be waiting for 2 weeks. Like it was like 2 weeks. And you could also not get the money if you don't get verified. If they're not able to verify you, that's what they said. So I was like, okay. So but thankfully I got verified successfully. I got my money on my PayPal account. I was like, yes. Whew. So that's how I made my first $50 online. But that shit, $50, that it was not hard, but it was worth it. It was worth it. I got my subscription in the mail too. I still got some of them. I'm still on that subscription because I like it. I just canceled it. I recently canceled it, but it was a nice investment. But 7 out of 10, I wouldn't recommend the app because it's just a waste of time. You gotta do a survey, and sometimes your survey don't get approved, so you're gonna waste your time. And it's really, really hard to make $50 there online if you don't invest, if you don't sign up for a subscription, donate money they tell you gotta spend something. Like, that's the faster way to make money online there. If you spend something, you get a big reward and you cash out, and you gotta wait for like 2 weeks to make that money. So I don't know, that's not worth it to me. So I wouldn't recommend doing the survey there because it's a waste of time. Just buy something and you get the reward and you redeem it to a PayPal cash, but it's not worth it. Go get your real job. Stop being lazy. Go get your real job. It's not worth it. Alright guys, this gonna be the end of today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below if you ever heard of this app or you know this app. Okay, don't forget to like my video, comment, share my video, and I'll see ya in my next video. Have a blessed, wonderful